Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's demonstration we will learn about how you can create a database and how you can create a table in a SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, so let's start the demo. Very first you need to open the your Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. After that you need to be log in your SQL Server authentication. Okay, here you can see the option connect and database engine. Here you can see this SQL Server authentication. Here you can see your login and password. Okay, so I already get login by the SA user. Okay, so database, just right click new database. How you can create a database we'll see. So once it will open, then give the name as a dbcon2. Okay, so now your database got created. Once database got created, click on new query. Here you can execute your query, create table. You can create your table with the help of a create table statement. Create table student in bracket s number int integer comma s name varchar in bracket 50 comma email in varchar in bracket 50 bracket close and then semicolon. Okay, so once you get done with your statement, create table statement, then click on execute. Okay, so now you can see here the command completed successfully. Okay, and now dbcon 2 table option is there. Okay, and you can see here dbo dot student got created. Okay, so guys, that's all about today's demonstration. So here we discuss how you can create a database and also how you can create a table in your SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Also you can share with your friends, and don't forget to click on a bell icon. So we'll see you in next workshop. Till the time, stay happy and stay connected. Thank you so much.